What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I am excited to announce that I finally had some stickers made. People have been asking about these for a while. It seems like I'm one of the only knife channels out there that doesn't have stickers, so I finally had some made. I got these from Sticker Mule, and they came out perfect. These are really, really cool. So basically, this is going to be a really short video. I've got about 100 of these. Anybody who is currently a patron of mine at the $3 tier or higher, you will automatically receive a sticker if I already have your shipping address. If you became a patron here, check the date on this video. If you became a patron here within the last week, then the system probably prompted you for your address, and I probably have it. You can check with me on Patreon if you want to. Just send me a message to make sure that I have your address. If you joined Patreon before that, or if you changed your current tier from $1 to $3 or higher, then you probably need to message me and send me your address. Outside of that, if you don't want to be a patron, I completely understand, but you still want one of these super duper cool Metal Complex stickers, you can email me at metalcomplex87@gmail.com and let me know how many you want. I'll charge $5 a piece for them, just individually without any subscription to my Patreon. Obviously, if you want a whole bunch of them, I can probably cut you a deal, but that's basically how that's going to work. All of the money that I make from this in any way, shape, or form is going right back into the channel, either in small quality of life improvements, knives for you guys to take a look at, and eventually more giveaways and things like that that we will host on the channel. All of my giveaways will always be 100% free to enter. They will not require anybody to join Patreon. I'm never going to do a Patreon incentivized giveaway where only people that are on Patreon will have like exclusive chances to win. I can't do, Patreon doesn't allow for me to do things like that anyway, so I can't do that. So everything will always be free. Just rest assured that any money generated here goes right back into the channel. That's really, this is my passion, and I want this channel to grow. So we're going to start with stickers. There's going to be more stuff in the future, but for right now, I'm really, really excited about these. So if you want to get your hands on one of these, just follow the links in the description, and it kind of goes over everything I talked about, but I will make sure that my email address is also in the description. That's going to be pretty much it for today, guys, or at least this video. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.